Blueberries can be surprisingly frustrating. They look perfect at the store, then turn soft or moldy in the fridge, stick together when frozen, and sink straight to the bottom of your cakes. But you don't have to waste another box. Today I'll show you 8 simple tricks to choose better berries. Keep them fresh longer, freeze them one by one, and turn the soft ones into something delicious. Let's start at the store because one quick check can save the entire box. Many people only realize after bringing blueberries home and pouring them out that there are many bruised, crushed, moldy, or wilted berries at the bottom of the box. So when buying blueberries, do not just look at the top of the container. Gently tilt the box and check the bottom as well. If you see that the bottom of the box looks wet, has purple juice, or the berries are sticking together, they may already be bruised or have been sitting too long, and you should not buy boxes like this. Good blueberries usually have a deep blue-purple color, a natural white powdery coating on the outside, and they should look dry, plump, and firm. Avoid boxes with too many soft, wrinkled, cracked berries, or any signs of white mold. Choosing carefully from the beginning will help your blueberries stay fresh longer when you bring them home. Next is a common mistake that many people make, washing the whole box of blueberries as soon as they bring it home. Then putting it straight into the refrigerator. This may seem cleaner, but if the blueberries are not completely dry, the water left on the skin can make them turn soft and moldy faster. Blueberries have thin skins and hold moisture easily, so it is best to wash only the amount you plan to eat right away. Keep the rest dry and sort them carefully so they can be stored for as long as possible. This small step can make a big difference. Just one moldy, leaking, or cracked blueberry can cause the berries around it to spoil faster. Simply pour the blueberries onto a wide tray or plate, then gently sort through them. Remove any berries that are too soft, wrinkled, bruised, cracked, or have small spots of mold. If some berries are only slightly soft but not spoiled, set them aside. Later I'll show you how to turn them into a delicious sauce to serve with other foods. After you have sorted out the dry and firm blueberries, now reuse the original blueberry containers that are still clean and well ventilated. Then line the bottom of the container with a dry paper towel. This simple layer helps absorb excess moisture and prevents water from collecting underneath, helping the blueberries stay dry and last longer. Then gently pour the blueberries back into the container and spread them out evenly so they are not pressed too tightly together. If your container is not this type of container and does not have ventilation holes, do not close it too tightly because trapped moisture can also cause mold. Then place them in the refrigerator to store and eat gradually. By doing it this way, you can eat them for 5 to 7 days. So remember, the golden rule is not to wash all the blueberries. Only wash the portion you need to eat right away and store the rest properly, so you can enjoy fresh, delicious blueberries for longer. For blueberries that need to be eaten right away, wash them before eating by making a soaking solution with 3 cups of clean water and 1 cup of white vinegar. Stir well, then add the blueberries and soak them for 2 minutes. White vinegar is very effective at killing harmful bacteria and tiny mold bacteria on the fruit. After 2 minutes, place the blueberries in a small strainer, then rinse them gently under cold running water. Do not run the water too strongly, and do not rub the fruit with your hands, because blueberries bruise very easily. After rinsing them clean, gently shake the strainer to remove excess water. Then spread the blueberries evenly onto a clean paper towel or kitchen towel in a thin layer. Gently pat them dry to remove any water still sitting on the skin. If you are eating them right away, you can place them in a bowl and enjoy. But if you are using them for cakes, salads, or yogurt, the drier the blueberries are, the more beautiful and delicious the dish will look. This simple washing method helps keep blueberries clean, sweet, and plump. In addition, if you still have a lot of blueberries at home and want to store them so you can eat them for longer, the simple way is to freeze them. But do not put the whole container directly into the freezer, because the blueberries can freeze into one hard block that is difficult to use. First, prepare a medium-sized tray, then line it with a layer of parchment paper to prevent sticking. After that, spread the blueberries evenly in a thin layer on the tray. Try not to let them overlap. Place the tray in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours until the blueberries harden. Then put them into a zip-top bag or an airtight container. When you need to use them, just take out a suitable amount, which is extremely convenient. Next, handle the slightly soft blueberries that you just sorted out but that are not moldy yet. Do not throw them away too quickly. They may no longer be perfect for eating fresh, but they are still wonderful for making a simple blueberry sauce. Place the soft blueberries in a small pot. Then add a little lemon juice and a little honey or sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Cook over low heat, stirring gently until the blueberries release their juice and become softer. When the mixture starts to thicken, use a spoon to gently mash a few blueberries. This helps the sauce have a beautiful texture and become smoother, while still keeping a few whole blueberries inside. In just a few minutes, you will have a deep purple blueberry sauce with a light fruity aroma and a natural sweet tart flavor. You can serve it with yogurt, pancakes, toast, ice cream, or morning oatmeal. This is a wonderful way to use soft blueberries without wasting them. Do you often make cakes with blueberries? I really love making blueberry sponge cake, but there is one problem: the blueberries I add often sink to the bottom and it does not look appealing at all. Now I know how to keep blueberries from sinking to the bottom. Before adding the blueberries to the batter, place them in a small bowl. Then add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Gently mix until the blueberries are coated with a thin layer of flour. This thin coating helps the blueberries stick to the batter better and reduces the risk of them sinking while baking. After that, add the blueberries to the batter and mix gently. Try not to stir too hard because the blueberries can burst, turning the batter purple and making it too wet. When the cake is done, the blueberries will be distributed more evenly, and every bite will look beautiful and be full of juicy blueberries. And those are 8 simple blueberry tips you can apply at home. From choosing the right container, storing them in a dry place, washing them the right way, to turning soft blueberries into delicious dishes. Just a few small steps can help you keep blueberries fresh longer and reduce waste. I hope these tips will be helpful for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.